Alright. This is the CIS. See this, everybody? Is that right there. So, when you step on your clutch, this completes the circuit. And if you follow these wires, they have to get jumped to the park neutral switch, which is this right here. That little sucker right there. So one of these goes to one of these, one of these goes to one of these, and then both of these go to the... I have to look at the diagram, but I think it's this yellow one, and then the other one is... One is yellow, 9 is gray. So we gotta go to the yellow wire and to the gray wire. So one of these to there, to yellow. One of these to the second one, to this gray right there.
Okay.
Now you get it? And